wreck every fucking thing that I can. These motherfuckers just don't understand. Once a sinner, always a sinner. I'm hungry and I'm ready for dinner. All these motherfuckers know how to do is lose. They can never be winners. I hit you with that supersonic, iconic, atomic flow. Demonic, bionic, just so you know. I'm gonna rock the whole goddamn world for show. I'm ready to go. People see the way that I look and the way that I act, and they're shocked over the fact that I can rap. But I'm the best of the best, and that's that. I'm the motherfucking greatest, and that's a fact. People gas and they say who knew. There's no one better. Every word is true. J on the mic, you know who it is. I slay them all, call it homicide. You fuckers can run, but you can't hide. I'm kicking ass with the fuckers and blast. I can't help it. If you think you can change me, then take that opinion and shelf it. Call me the Dragon King, cause I spit fire. I blaze trails, running circles around these motherfuckers, make them look like snails. Name before me unless you can dominate me lyrically. But I'm the best, and I'm proving that shit empirically. Gotta get up, gotta go. What you fucking with the flow, acting like you don't know. Think you can go hit, toe to toe, match you blow for blow, but you know you can't throw. Hit you like a lightning ball, hit you with a million volts, your body shaking, and I know you can feel every joke. Galvanizing the masses, bringing lightning down their asses. You wanna steal thunder? Well, I can teach you some classes. I'm taking my sword and going to war. You best believe the hype and the lore. You won't believe the blood and gore. Blood back galore. Asgard, I'm banging on your door, busting through your ceiling, busting through your floors. Seizing your realm, making Thor look like a whore. Olympus, I'm here to subjugate you to my abuse, reduce Zeus to refuse. I'm a god killer, Godzilla when I cut loose. No rest for the wicked, my insomnia explained. Going out of my mind, going out of my brain. Can I contain, constrain, restrain, refrain? Can I maintain? Doesn't matter, this word has earned my derision, and this derision has incited precision incision, and it's become my mission to end all tradition in my decision to fill horrible premonition. Burn a whole world down, start a new one and call it J Prime Edition. You don't get it, so it's not confusing that you're losing. You're cruising for a bruising, lusting after that profuse abuse, tightening the noose. All hell's about to break loose, hitting you with this sick shit. Go ahead, add me to your list while you're slitting your wrist. Saying you wanna die, but you already did. Ain't that a twist? At my prime, but not at my peak. A power like mine is what you seek. What do you want to be? What do you want to do? You don't fucking know. You have no fucking clue. I know something about you. It is kind of strange. You remain stagnant despite always talking about change. Swimming in a river of your own demise. Burning in a fire of your own invention because you could never decide. Blowing away in a tornado that you call a brain. Getting shot by that lightning amplified. You destroying your domain. Your end is nigh, you motherfucker. Your time is near. That death you idolize now what you fear.